When most people hear the word blockchain, they instantly think of Bitcoin. But blockchain is much more than digital money. It is like discovering that electricity is not just for light bulbs. It also powers your fridge, your phone charger, and even electric cars. Blockchain is the same. One technology, many users. Hi, I am Satish Choudhary and welcome back to In Simple Terms with Satish. In our last episode, we talked about public and private blockchains, the difference between open systems for everyone and closed systems for business. Today, let's look at many ways blockchain is being used in real world far beyond Bitcoin. Take supply chain for example. Imagine scanning a QR code on a packet of mangoes and instantly seeing where they were grown, when they were shipped, and how fresh they are. Companies like Walmart already use blockchain to trade food from farm to shelf, making recalls and safety checks much faster. Or think about healthcare. Instead of carrying test report or repeating scans at every hospital, your medical history could be stored securely on a blockchain. Only doctors you approve could access it, and you'd always know who looked at your records. In education, universities are starting to issue diplomas on blockchain. That means employers can instantly verify your degree and fake certificates becomes nearly impossible. In finance, blockchain speeds up cross-border payment. Instead of waiting for a bank transfer to clear, blockchain-based payments can settle in minutes with lower fees. Insurance companies are also using smart contracts to automatically pay claims, like when a flight gets delayed or cancelled. Governments are testing blockchain too. From secure voting system to transparent land records, blockchain can reduce fraud and make systems more open and fair. So in simple terms, blockchain is not just about Bitcoin. It's becoming the foundation for safer food, smarter healthcare, stronger education, faster payment, and even fairer government. In our next episode, we'll look at the flip side, the risks and challenges of blockchain, from energy use to privacy concerns. Thanks for listening to In Simple Terms with Satish. Subscribe, share this with a friend, and join me again as we continue to make the complicated simple. Thank you.